We have nectarines as our feature item today, and so one of the things I like to do with stone fruit is I like to either grill it or saute it or kind of roast it. I think it just, some of the natural sweetness comes out, and you'll see when you cook nectarines in this fashion, it's pretty versatile. So if I had a hot grill, I might be using that, just a little bit of oil on the grill. We have a kind of a pretty hot Teflon saute pan, which should work just as well. You really want to just kind of caramelize these nectarines. I've cut them into quarters. I'm going to start with just a little bit of butter and then just evenly place these nectarines.
Tell me a little bit about the nutritional value of nectarines.
So nectarines are a great first food for babies. They tolerate it really well. It's very easy to digest. You can introduce it as early as 4 to 6 months.
It's one of the first then, like
One
apples.
of the first, yes, absolutely. There's a lot of calcium, potassium, manganese, phosphorus, and folate. Sometimes when you introduce new foods and cause a little bit of constipation, nectarines actually will help with that.
Oh, great.